people. So I just have to say this, that when there was lockdown declared last time, I mean, in 2020, I had made sure to kind of, through my these audio recordings, to I would reach out and thank people who kind of made a difference in my life. So there's this teacher, Miss Rajani, that who taught me science way back in school when I was in the sixth grade, I think, sixth, seventh, eighth, I think. But she not just taught me science, she taught my little sister also science. And the thing is, her teaching was so, um, I mean, some of what she taught us till today, I'm in my 30s now, it still remains with me. Like, for instance, for my little sister, she was a science teacher, right, Ms. Rajni. So Rajni ma'am had taught them that in case of a fire, you're supposed to roll on the ground because the maximum oxygen would be at the ground level. So then, when I was in the 10th grade, we were part of this, annual day function, where there was this freak fire accident involving 17 children. 17 children had to suffer burn injuries, and this included my little sister. And I'll always remember that my little sister, when Rajni ma'am, she not just came to the hospital, but I think she came to visit us at our house. So that's when my little sister, who was all of 11 at that point, she was telling her, "Ma'am, thank you so much. You taught us this in class, that in case of a fire, we should roll on the ground." So that's what my little sister had attempted to do. So it is so remarkable that that something one would learn in a classroom would have such a big role to play in, my little sister could escape with far lesser burns than what some of the other kids suffered. And much later, once there was Orkut and Facebook, Rajni ma'am has always been so encouraging she always posts these very sweet, encouraging comments. And uh, you know it was like, no, today is Republic Day, and today would be my mom's 68th birthday if she was alive. So basically, my second book got released 22 days, 23 days after my mom passed away. Like, it was like her dream to see her daughter as an author. So mummy could not be there for my book launch, but I remember Rajni ma'am being there. Of all the different people I reached out to ask them whether they could come for my book launch, Rajni ma'am made sure she took the time to come. So truly, ma'am, I'm getting emotional making this video, but ma'am, the impact you've had on people, like in terms of even years and decades later, we remember you. So just thank you, ma'am. Like, now that I'm also in the field of being a faculty, like I taught at Triple IT and all, I've realized that far more than your subject matter, it's the person who leaves a mark on the student. So truly, Raji ma'am, you've been an inspiration. You've been a person whose comments I look forward to on my Facebook page, and I look forward to very few comments actually as such. But truly, ma'am, you've made such a difference in so many lives, you would probably never know. So really, people. So I think while one has time, one should make such a video and thank our teachers, because they are just so special that we don't find enough words to say. So truly, ma'am, from my heart, thank you.